Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that your bank account has exactly the same amount of money it has today, except it's 20 years later. Sounds terrifying, right? But here's the scary part. For millions of people, that's exactly what's happening. Not because they're lazy, not because they're stupid, but because they're trapped in a financial system that rewards spending and punishes ignorance. And the worst part? Most people never realize they're stuck until it's too late. By the end of this video, nobody dreams of working until they're 75. Let's start with the biggest lie we tell ourselves. I'll start saving next month. I'll invest after I get a better job. I'll learn about money when I have more money. Next month becomes next year. Next year becomes next decade. Before you know it, you're wondering where your 20s went, or your 30s, or your 40s. Money works with time. Time doesn't wait. Think of investing like planting a tree. The best time? 20 years ago. The second best time? Today. People spend more time researching Netflix. That's like spending 3 hours choosing a phone wallpaper while your house is on fire. You get a raise. Congratulations. You upgrade your phone, you upgrade your apartment, you upgrade your wardrobe. Salary doubled, still broke. Lifestyle inflation. Income goes up, expenses sprint after it. Every week there's another must-have. New iPhone, sneaker drop, luxury water bottle. Social media convinces everyone. So, what did we learn today? Being broke isn't usually the result of one bad decision. It's the result of hundreds of small decisions repeated over time. Every dollar you save, every skill you learn, every investment you make, and every unnecessary expense you avoid. They're all votes for the future you're building. The difference between people who struggle financially and people who build wealth isn't luck, it's consistency. Remember, wealth isn't about looking rich on social media. It's about having the freedom to live life on your own terms. The journey won't always be easy. There will be setbacks, there will be temptations, and there will always be people trying to sell you shortcuts. But real wealth has never been built on shortcuts. It's built one smart decision at a time. If this video helped you see money differently, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Beyond the Budget, and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly videos on building wealth, mastering money, and creating the financial future you deserve. Until next time.